In this video, I'm going to show you how to build the dump truck from LEGO Creator Set 31041 Construction Vehicles. Here's a look at the pieces that you'll need to build the dump truck. As always, if you don't have some of these pieces, you can substitute your own and it can be your own creation. But now that you have everything gathered up, let's start building. So now you know how to build a LEGO dump truck. I hope you found this video educational and entertaining. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.